To make simple egg and flour noodles, mix 2 cups, 250 grams of flour, 2 large eggs, 4 additional egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon, 6 grams of salt in a food processor or stand mixer until the dough is smooth and thoroughly combined. Place the dough on a floured surface and knead it by hand for about 10 minutes. Then let the dough rest at room temperature for about an hour, which will make it easier to handle. Roll the dough into a cylinder and cut it into 6 equal pieces. Work with 1 piece of dough at a time. Sprinkle the rest with flour and cover them with a clean kitchen towel or some plastic wrap. Flour a flat surface such as your countertop and roll out each piece of dough with a rolling pin. You should end up with a flat piece of dough that's about 6 inches, 15 centimeters wide, and 20 inches, 50 centimeters long, and thin enough to be slightly see-through. Use a pizza cutter, a sharp knife, or a pasta cutting machine to slice the sheets of dough into thin noodles. Cook the noodles right away by boiling them in water for 1 to 2 minutes, or dry them out on a drying rack and store them in a cool, dry place until you're ready to use them.